Hey everybody, it's about an hour after our live trading session, and I just wanted to illustrate what ended up happening with the euro yen. Remember, we had talked about it potentially coming down to this support area of 121.40, which it has swiftly done and bounced right away. So if we can, what we are now looking for is that desired trade that I was talking about earlier, which is now a DTS long signal coming off this support. If we get that, that should be a very good trade, and let's see if that actually happens. If not, we'll be looking for a good move to the downside, followed by a pullback, and then a short trade from there. So let's see what the market gives us. We are still well within our average daily range, and we're finally getting the move we were looking for. I'll keep you posted. Alright, well, here it is. After waiting a little bit longer, we now have a valid buy signal, which is a textbook picture-perfect bounce trade off this major support. So, came in, bounced off, came back to test it once again, and then we got the buy signal. It's absolutely textbook, and it's a trade I have taken live with a little bit more risk than normal. So I'm going to go ahead and also put the trade on this account, and we'll keep an eye on it going into the morning. Let's hope it's a big win. Alright, back again, and I have said this before, good things come to those who wait, and great things come to those who plan. Again, we had taken the long after the bounce off this major support and resistance area here, 121.40. We had a very nice buy signal here, and it went sideways for a little bit, but good news is that after going sideways, we had a very nice move upwards of about 100 pips, and I was able to capture most of it before the retrace came back and took us out. So even though we initially had a small loser on a trade that I wouldn't take live, the trade that I eventually did take reaped quite a nice reward. And this was just a perfect classic example of taking a beautiful DTS trade off a strong support and resistance area. The total gain for the trade was around 70 pips. It was an easy trade to find. All we had to do was be patient until we got to the area. And so that's what we are looking for, folks. I was also able to get a small trade long off of the Euro USD and a small trade long off of the Pound USD. Again, using support and resistance. So let's hope over the next few sessions we have a few more trades like that. Again, we can always look for the Euro Yen to pull back to that area, or we can just wait for a good retrace followed by another long signal, since it does appear that we have now broken and held above that support and resistance area. So that's pretty much sums it up what we're looking for in a good trade, and I hope we find lots more.